In Brazil, the country that will host the 2014 World Cup and the 2016 Olympics, São Paulo, the biggest city in Latin America, with a population of 20 million people, doesn't give sport a high priority. Here, people just think about work. The city, however, does need to prepare for the major global contest and embrace the Olympic spirit. In this context, we find the greatest public event of sports and recreation in the world, the Virada Esportiva, created by the City Hall of São Paulo. Once a year, over a weekend, the city lives and breathes sport, with an event lasting 36 straight hours. Over 2,000 free sports activities are on offer for people. Sport becomes a good social integrator in order to change the city's mindset and behavior. To guarantee the event's success, the City Hall needs to be able to reach, at the same time, the opinion leaders in the underserved communities. A big range of communication tools had to be used together with the support of the community leaders to reach the underserved communities. And the most influential opinion leaders supported and publicized the event in the big media vehicles. Soon, the Virada Esportiva became a current topic in social media. It all results in 513 insertions in unprompted media, 6 hours and 11 minutes of placement on major radio stations and TV channels, headline in major newspapers, 7 exclusive event guides, nearly $13 million in media exposure. This is a significant amount for an event held by a government with close to zero media budget for publicity when compared to private initiative. 3,700,000 people attended the Virada Esportiva in 2010. The Virada Esportiva also drastically reduced the city's crime rate over the weekend it took place. The Virada Esportiva has changed the way people interact with the city. Today, the population is more health-aware and sees physical and recreational activity in public places as a major instrument for improving the quality of life.